another day with my sister. We are twins.
Yes, we are.
Well, but she's nice. So, yeah. Sis, where are you going?
I'm just outside waiting for you, sis.
Okay. Where do you want to go?
How about...
That would probably be a very good idea. I call it first pick a room.
No.
Yep.
My house.
Well, I'm building a mansion. Okay, let me just change. Nice and ready to go to bed. Morning. Why is the lights off?
Yes, you slept.
Wow! You know what you deserve for that.
Hey, I was only telling you.
Hiya!
Okay.
I slapped you, honey.
So there's it.
I'll make some. Hey, do you want to have some? Yeah. What drink do you want?
Tea or some water? No, not tea.
Yeah, for your voice. Yummy. I think I'll have coffee. Goofy. The breakfast smells very good, sissy.
Okay, you're scaring me now. Stop.
So
I can't even see this.
I have powers.
Oh.
That's totally how you give people food. I'm ready to eat some breakfast. Thank you, sissy.
You're welcome. You can change it.
I'm gonna eat my breakfast right now. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I think another one would not hurt. Yum. So nice. And that coffee. We're in that today, huh? I will pick out something to wear.
It's a special day today.
All ready for the day?
So now what happens after today?
Oh, that's just good to know. Now I have to go to school. Come on, sis, let's hop in the car to go to school.
Not yet.
Oh, I need to brush my teeth and get a bath. I'm actually taking a shower like a grown adult that I am.
You're not even an adult.
Who cares? Yum.
Don't even.
Excuse you. I will get in your relaxing tub.
Is that what an adult would do?
Yes.
Wow, just straight up abusive.
Yes, I am.
Gonna brush my teeth and get some mouthwash.
I see you brushing your teeth.
And it's like I care.
I need to
Get out.
I'm washing my hands. Where's the sink?
Look.
I'm washing my hands and the dishes. Because I am the parent that I am.
Well,
Get in the
I
car!
want that house thing.
Well, I'm ready to go to school. I call driving.
Oh.
Sis, get in.
Would you just please be patient?
Patient is not heard of in my dictionary.
Well, in an adult's dictionary,
Shut the garage door, please.
I'm gonna close this.
I'm too fast. Finally at school,
Ow.
where the nerds go.
You just call yourself.
Yeah, because I like going to school because it's fun.
What?
Because I get to see friends. Wow! Ruth, maybe I'll leave the school without you.
Okay. Juicy. You look like someone from Just.
I really do. My pants have been torn apart by a T-Rex. Finally, all done with school. Sis, hurry up.
Wow, such good patience.
I know, right?
I was being sarcastic and cool.
Do you want me to pull up for you?
We should probably buy some snacks.
Actually, nuggets. I like snacks. Snacks are my favorite.
Don't like
What?
dumb people who have no patience.
Wow. Why are you always in the backseat? Where are we going?
Yeah, where are we going?
I thought we were going home. Oh, I heard that you want to go to the club. Where the cool kids go like me.
No, like me.
Oops!
Cool kids don't pass red lights.
Cool kids do pass red lights.
Do they get arrested?
Yes.
You've been arrested.
I have been arrested many times.
Wow. People just fear you.
Oh, yeah, they do. Because I'm fierce. Don't ask.
No, you don't. That's why you got arrested.
Oh, honey.
Don't even call me honey. That's just
I'm gonna go brush it. I'll make lunch. And it's definitely not gonna be poisoned.
No, you're not making lunch. They're having leftovers.
I am making hot dogs for dinner.
No, you're not making hot dogs because you're gonna poison them.
They're not poisoned. Watch me cook them. Watch me cook them.
I just saw you put some poison in there.
That's salt.
No, poison. You don't even put salt on them when you cook them.
Well, fairly I do.
Why are you making them wrong?
Wow.
Anything.
I will force this hot dog down your throat.
Anything is, what if I close my door?
And I don't care. Are we going to the club today, aren't we? We are? What was that? Okay.
Yes, I am. But it isn't even dinner time, it's lunchtime.
I don't care, I made lunch for you.
No, I'm not eating any of those poisons.
Well, I have coffee in my hand and I'm in the car.
Why?
I'm ready to go to the club.
It's
Yeah, I'm ready. Get in the car. Bloop.
shush.
Then
Wait!
you have 5 minutes. One, two. I'll wait for you because I know you.
Only if you know how to count.
Only if you wouldn't just shut up.
What does even make sense?
Shut the garage door. Okay, I guess people are going into your house then.
Hey! That's it. We're not going to the nightclub.
Lion.
I'm
Bye.
gonna be responsible adult. Stupid child. You're not coming back to my house.
Oh, yes I am.
I can kick you out.
And I can come back.
No, I can unroommate you.
Well, oops. I think this is the club parking. Hopefully you don't have to call my sister to bail me out again. Even though she never does it.
She wants to work, like, sure.
Well, I don't like work, because I
You
go
don't
to
have
school.
your girl. You can't even see what I had.
Okay, I'm ready
Ready?
to party!
No. Ready to die.
You're just creepy. Woo, 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 woo. You press it, guy? Oh, yeah.
There's like energy. I see.
I've been at the club all day. Oh no, there's a fussy child. I don't have to deal with you, fussy child that's stinky. That's night or afternoon. Heading home. Maybe I should go pick up my sister. Should I? Let me think. Yeah, sister, I'm at your work. We'll honk this horde.
Wait. Patience.
Hi.
Bye.
That thing is extremely slow.
No, this isn't slow.
I know. Guys, she's really mad. Well, my rude sister does not want to come home, so I guess I'm just going
It's
home.
not rude. It's called mature,
That is called rude.
working, it's rude.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And today, that was me. My sister was.
Forestkittie.
She said forestkittie. If you couldn't hear her.
I'm stuck by a tree, so I can't really hear it.
That was my sister being rude. My IRL sister. But make sure to put the post notifications on, subscribe and comment, and like. So keep on smiling. Bye!